Austria is the latest country to enter in a fourth lockdown since the start of the pandemic. The country's low vaccination rate has led to record after record in the number of infections. Vienna will make vaccinations mandatory in 2022. The new restrictions will remain in place until the 13th of December at the latest. The Christmas period will be interrupted for several weeks and many Austrians used its last day of normality. Many are just resigned, but for business owners it's a big hit.
We're not in a good mood. We had these 6 weeks already in our plans. The work here has been great fun so far. Nobody thought there would be a lockdown for the Christmas markets. It's a bit sad for us and shocking, so we're not happy.
In several cities, including Salzburg and Linz, protesters gathered to reject a new lockdown and the vaccination decree. In Brussels, peaceful protests against the new COVID rules decided by the government soon turned to violent clashes. Police used tear gas to restore order. Belgium will make teleworking mandatory most of the week and will broaden the use of the face masks after the number of new COVID cases has reached worrying levels. The Czech Republic will also apply stricter rules, especially with the unvaccinated population. Negative coronavirus tests will not be recognized as COVID certificate to go to a hairdresser or a restaurant. Companies must also test unvaccinated workers on a weekly basis from Monday. Germany had already imposed stricter measures. Closures of some public places, more control over the non-vaccinated. Now the German authorities are debating, due to the low inoculation rate, whether to make the vaccine mandatory.
Here is the area where a protest against further COVID restriction measures turned violent on Sunday when a group of protesters started destroying shops, putting fires and throwing objects at police, while officers started using tear gas and cannon waters in order to push them back. Police estimates that around 35,000 of people participated in a demonstration which was called Together for Freedom. The Belgian government imposed new measures, including an extension of mask wearing, mandatory telework for 4 days per week for all, and limiting the number of people present at gatherings. Belgium has one of the highest vaccination rates in Europe, but is reimposing measures because COVID cases have dramatically increased and the health system is once more under pressure.